Imagine a world where death is no longer inevitable. What if science could extend your life indefinitely, or even make you immortal? The idea sounds like science fiction, but groundbreaking technologies are bringing us closer to this reality. From editing your DNA to uploading your consciousness, here are 10 futuristic innovations that could redefine what it means to live forever. 1. CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR is like gene editing magic, tiny scissors snipping away disease. It targets flawed DNA to fix problems like cancer or Alzheimer's. Scientists dream even bigger, rewriting the genes behind aging itself. Imagine halting time at the cellular level. Could this be the secret to eternal youth hidden in your DNA? The future might just say yes. Second, brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. What if your mind could live beyond your body? Brain-computer interfaces like those being developed by Neuralink connect your brain directly to machines. These tiny implants could one day back up your memories, thoughts, or even your entire consciousness to a digital platform. The dream? Transferring your mind to a new body or a virtual world, making physical death irrelevant. 3. Anti-aging drugs, senolytics. As we age, zombie cells pile up, fueling inflammation and aging. Enter senolytics, smart drugs that hunt and clear them out. A 2023 Mayo Clinic study showed they boosted mice's lifespan by 20%. Now in human trials, these pills may fight arthritis, heart disease, and more. Could science be brewing the secret to youth? 4. Cryonics. Cryonics is the practice of freezing a body or brain after death in hopes that future technology can revive it. Companies like Alcor Life Extension Foundation have preserved over 200 people in liquid nitrogen since the 1970s. While revival isn't possible yet, advances in tissue preservation and nanotechnology could make it a reality. 5. Cloning and organ printing. What if you could replace any failing body part? 3D bioprinting is already creating functional organs like bladders and skin in labs. In 2025, researchers at Wake Forest University printed heart tissue that successfully beat in a petri dish. If every part of your body could be replaced, would death still be inevitable? 6. Nanobots in the bloodstream. Picture tiny robots swimming through your veins, repairing cells and fighting diseases. Nanobots, microscopic machines, are being developed to deliver drugs precisely or repair damaged tissues. In the future, these bots could patrol your body 24/7, fixing damage and preventing aging at the cellular level. 7. Digital consciousness uploading. Could your mind live in a computer? Researchers are exploring ways to map and upload human consciousness to digital systems. While we're far from uploading a full human mind, advances in AI and neural mapping could one day let you exist in virtual reality or control a robotic body, potentially forever. 8. Epigenetic reprogramming. Aging isn't just about DNA, it's about how your genes are expressed. Epigenetic reprogramming resets cells to a younger state without changing their identity. In 2024, Harvard researchers used this technique to reverse aging in mice, restoring their vision and muscle strength. If applied to humans, it could turn back your biological clock, keeping you youthful inside and out. 9. AI health monitoring. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare. Wearable devices like smartwatches with AI can now detect heart problems or diabetes before symptoms appear. In 2025, Google's DeepMind AI predicted heart attacks with 90% accuracy using routine scans. By catching diseases early, AI could prevent the leading causes of death, giving you more years of healthy life. 10th, blood plasma transfusions. Young blood might hold anti-aging secrets. Studies like one from Stanford in 2023 showed that plasma from younger animals rejuvenated older mice, improving their strength and cognition. Human trials are ongoing, exploring whether young plasma can slow aging in older adults. In conclusion, for centuries, immortality was a myth, a dream of alchemists and storytellers. Today, it's a scientific frontier. These 10 technologies, from gene editing to digital consciousness, are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But the question remains, would you want to live forever? The answer might depend on how these innovations reshape our world. What do you think? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more updates on the science shaping our future. Thank you.